Alright guys, KK4PYN back again with you here. Try this again. I have to excuse the autofocus. There's something wacky going on with my phone here. Anyway, wanted to show you the Arduino Shield up and running. And kind of doing some stuff so you can get an idea what it's for and what it works with. So the setup right now is I got the Shield on top of an Arduino Uno. And that's plugged into my computer. I've got a Gabotronics oscilloscope over here, just acting as a waveform generator. And we've got the Arduino IDE up and running up here. And I've got the Shield output. This is a composite video output, and it runs over here. And it's going to this composite to VGA adapter. Now, I'm not too thrilled with the results, but it does show it working. This is just an old monitor. On a smaller monitor or a regular composite input or something, it seems to be a little bit brighter. I had to really bump the brightness up on this so you can see there's a little bit of white going on. But anyway, this is the output from the Arduino right now through the TV OUT library, which some of you may be familiar with. I'm going to go ahead and run this again. So we're going to hit upload here. I just wanted to start from the beginning, and I have not added the so that blanks that out. I haven't added the reset button to the Shield yet. Okay, so here's TV OUT running, and this is the basic functionality of this Shield, is to give your Arduino composite output. Okay, and that's basically the way it's set up. It's a 1 k ohm and a 470 ohm resistor onto the RCA jack. Sorry for the shaking here. And it just does some stuff. Okay, it's very basic, black and white, but it's pretty amazing because it's an Arduino. I know there's VGA output shields and stuff like that. It's fine, whatever. But this is a no-dollar, basically, mod you can do to any Arduino with, a video cable and some resistors. My original iteration, which I can't find right now because my shack is a mess, was literally just some perf board. But anyway, that's the Arduino doing that through an NTSC demo in the TV OUT library. Okay, but you're not gonna run this all day. I mean, I guess you could if you wanted something to look at. That'll run indefinitely. Okay, so let me. We're gonna come up here to this sketch, which is TV oscilloscope, and I'll have links to all this stuff as well. But we're going to go ahead and run this. I had problems getting this running in the web editor. Okay, so here's our oscilloscope being drawn by the Arduino. Okay, pretty basic. As you can see, we've got a voltage display and a frequency counter. Here's our voltage, time. Okay, so you can see this is going up to 5 volts. All right, so what we got going on in the Shield here, and I don't know if I can get this all in the same shot. You got 2 buttons. This is going to look janky, guys. There's really, no way around it. But these 2 buttons, let's see if I remember which one does which. They'll obviously be labeled on the board. This one, okay, so this one's changing the time base. There we go. Here it comes. Now, the weird thing that I haven't figured out yet, there's our waveform. This thing is putting out 2K. Right now it's showing 161 hertz. It's kind of weird. I need to do some further testing, but this one it's showing we're at 1.95 volts. So this changes your voltage range there. Woo! And give you a little bit more precision. Now, keep in mind that this Arduino can't really sample that fast. If I take this down here, just gonna hit the button a couple times here. I'm trying to get all this in the shot. Now you can see it's really trying to draw some weird waveforms here. Let me increase the. Actually, let me decrease. Let's see if this will focus. Oh yeah, bling, 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 whatever. Yeah, that's not going to focus. So I'm just going to go into frequency down 1 kilohertz. Oh, that's 1 hertz. Is that 1 hertz? Does this say 1 hertz? Focus. Multimeter. Geez, this thing will not focus for. Anyway, so I've changed the frequency output, and I just, there we go. So you can see this isn't something that you'd use as an instrument, okay? It's mainly for fun, but it's kind of cool. And with the right signal, you'll actually get a pretty good result. So it's nothing serious. But anyway, there's some other, Save changes, nope. There's some other sketches, like TV OUT voltmeter by TCP Meta, which I'll try and link in. But let me real quickly, because I'm running out of time here, I like to keep my videos a little bit short so I don't fall asleep on me. Go over the hardware again. So these two buttons control. Now this shield can be used for multiple libraries, obviously. This is time-based and voltage. It's pin 7 and 9 digital. In the sketch you can change that, or you can use them as custom buttons. On the final revision there'll be a reset button as well. Then you've got this input here, goes to pin 0, A0 to the ADC. Through a resistive divider there are, come on, there's going to be connectors for different types of inputs. So if you don't want a screw terminal, we're going to have one with some different things, but anyway. And then there's going to be 5 volt and ground over here, some stuff like that. So, like I said, it's fun. And if we go into the TV OUT demo again, I'm just going to run this so you can see. Changing again. And compiling, uploading, boom. Cleared that sketch out. And there we are. Back at TV OUT. So that's the basic hardware and software implementation. You can use it for a lot of different things, and it'll be useful, especially for just working with your main ADC. If you want to make a Arduino voltmeter. I'm also going to try and make some smaller versions of the shield for different boards. So that's it for now. Still tweaking everything, trying to get it right, and then we'll get some produced and I'll start handing them out. So you guys have a good day. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below. Please like and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter at KK4PYN. And you guys have a fantastic day. 73.